This video mainly explains how to use primary and backup. The primary and backup function ensures the smooth progress of the project. If the primary server fails, the backup server seamlessly takes over, without affecting the live process. To implement primary and backup, two servers must be on the same local area network, and their software versions must be consistent. Open the software on the primary server. Then access primary backup settings in cluster, which offers integrated backup and independent backup modes. Integrated backup means the primary control server connects to all display servers, while independent backup means the primary and backup control servers connect to their respective display servers. Click Add Controller to add the local machine and another server, setting the local machine as the primary and the other as the backup. If integrated backup is selected, you can establish a correspondence between the local screen and the local capture card. For example, if screen 1 corresponds to output 1 of the primary and output 2 of the backup, when switching from the primary to the backup, the output of screen 1 will change from output 1 of the primary to output 2 of the backup. If independent backup is selected, you also need to edit the correspondence between network screens and network capture cards following the same logic. Once the setup is complete, the primary and backup can connect normally. Click Connect to synchronize the primary project to the backup. If Distribute on Demand is checked, media in the primary software's media library that is not placed in the timeline or program pages will not be synchronized to the backup software. If unchecked, all media will be synchronized to the backup software. You can also click Cluster, Add Backup to select a server to add as the backup. After disconnecting the backup, you can uncheck to reconnect. If the backup is deleted, it must be added again to reconnect. Once the backup is connected, it will enter a locked state. If you need to edit the project while controlling playback on the primary server, such as during a rehearsal, you can click Disconnect Primary on the backup. Edit the project. Then right-click in the stage area and select Update Project to Primary to synchronize the new version of the project to the primary. And finally uncheck Disconnect Primary to restore the connection.